Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to recover an Instagram account. So go ahead and open up your Instagram app, okay? And then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and click your profile icon at the bottom right and start with forgot password. So if you try to log in, make sure under the password, you just click forgot password. I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna click the three bars right here as if I'm going to log in using a different account, right? So I'm gonna go ahead right here, scroll a little bit down. I'm gonna hit add account, log into existing account. Then I'm gonna use another profile, and right here in that interface, you're gonna enter the username, email, or phone number, and then go and hit forgot password. Enter the email or username, and they're gonna send you an email, basically with a code or a link that verifies that this is your account, right? And then you will be directed to a link, right, where you can add the new password and confirm that you added a solid password. Another way of doing it, right, you can go back to your screen and go ahead to your browser and go to instagram.com/hacked. Again, you're gonna see right here highlighted, and it's www.instagram.com/hacked/ right here. Right here. Yeah. So basically go right here to this website and enter your username and password, right? Let's say OG A. Then I'm gonna hit next, right? And then basically you might need to add or provide, a ID or selfie proof to prove that this is, as a proof to, to basically establish the fact that this is your account. So we're gonna basically go and recover using a password. You can do that, but if that didn't work out, you can just try to look for the option that your account is hacked, right? So here, what do you do? Yeah, if you think your Instagram account is hacked, go ahead and visit this page highlighted in blue, right? And then you're gonna be able to start the process of verifying your account and adding, they might ask you for your government ID if you verified your account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.